Need a delicious keto snack in a pinch? You're in the right place. Listen, stop shoving those carbs down your throat and get your head in the game. We're about to whip up some easy, tasty keto snacks that'll take you minutes, not hours. These are perfect if you're living that keto life, but haven't got the time to fuss about it. We're talking flavor and health, all in one go. You got that, champ? Cheese chips. You think this is complicated? It's cheese and a microwave, not a space station. We're talking crispy, savory, ready in seconds. Grab your cheese, grate it up if it's not already. We haven't got all day. Now, parchment paper on a baking sheet. Little piles of cheese, not too close. You want them to breathe, right? Microwave them until they're bubbly and golden. Or, if you're feeling fancy, stick them under the broiler. Listen, paprika, garlic powder, go wild. It's your cheese, own it. But don't you dare burn them. Avocado and cucumber. Simple but powerful. It's not rocket science, just fresh, healthy goodness. It's simple. It's low carb. It's a snack you can be proud of. Slice your cucumber, nice and thin. Get your avocado, scoop it out, mash it up, don't make a mess. Salt, pepper, squeeze of lime. Come on, you're better than that. Mix it up. Don't be shy. Now spoon that gorgeous avocado onto your cucumber slices. Feeling adventurous? Smoked salmon, crispy bacon. Oh yeah, here it is. A snack ready before you can say keto diet. Almond butter. Fat bombs. Energy on the go. Fat bombs. Trust me, these are good for you. These little bites of joy are packed with healthy fats and are perfect for anyone following a keto lifestyle. They're not just a snack, they're a powerhouse of energy. We're talking instant energy, perfect for the keto warrior on the move. Whether you're heading to the gym, going for a hike, or just need a quick pick-me-up during a busy day, these fat bombs have got you covered. Almond butter. The good stuff? None of that sugary stuff. Make sure you choose unsweetened almond butter to keep it keto-friendly. The rich, creamy texture of almond butter not only tastes amazing, but also provides a good dose of protein and healthy fats. Coconut oil. Melt it down if you need to. Coconut oil is a fantastic source of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are easily digested and converted into energy. It's a staple in many keto recipes for a reason. And a touch of sweetener, but don't go overboard, you're not making dessert. Use a keto-friendly sweetener like stevia or erythritol to add just a hint of sweetness without spiking your blood sugar levels. Mix it all up, get it nice and smooth. The key is to ensure all the ingredients are well combined to create a uniform mixture. This will make sure every bite is as delicious as the last. Now, silicone molds. You should have these. They're essential. Silicone molds make it easy to shape and freeze your fat bombs. Plus, they come in all sorts of fun shapes and sizes, adding a bit of flair to your snacks. Pour your mixture in and straight into the freezer. Make sure to fill each mold evenly and give them a little tap to remove any air bubbles. Then, pop them in the freezer for a few hours until they're solid. Once they're solid, you've got yourself a week's worth of energy bombs. Boom! These fat bombs can be stored in the freezer and taken out whenever you need a quick energy boost. They're perfect for meal prep and ensuring you always have a healthy snack on hand. Enjoy your delicious, energy-packed peanut butter fat bombs. Deviled eggs with a twist. A classic, elevated, deviled eggs. a classic appetizer that never goes out of style. But today, we're giving this timeless dish a modern makeover. We're not just doing the basics, we're taking it to the next level. Imagine deviled eggs that taste amazing and look like a work of art. First things first, let's get those eggs boiled. Place your eggs in a pot of boiling water and set your timer for exactly 6 minutes. This ensures the yolks are perfectly cooked, not too runny, and not too firm. Once the timer goes off, immediately run the eggs under cold water. This stops the cooking process and makes them easier to peel. Be gentle while peeling. We want those eggs to stay intact. No casualties here. Now, carefully scoop out the yolks and place them in a mixing bowl. To this, add a generous dollop of mayonnaise and a spoonful of mustard. These are your base ingredients, but we're just getting started. For those who like a bit of heat, add a dash of hot sauce. Now, here comes the twist that elevates this classic dish. Add a pinch of smoked paprika for that rich, smoky flavor. Toss in some crispy bacon bits for crunch and a hint of saltiness. And don't forget the chopped pickles. They add a delightful, tangy bite. Mix all these ingredients together until you have a smooth, creamy filling. Then, carefully spoon this mixture back into the egg whites. Take your time. Presentation is key. For the final touch, garnish your deviled eggs with a sprinkle of paprika. Add a sprig of fresh parsley or any herb you prefer. This not only adds a pop of color, but also enhances the flavor. And there you have it. Deviled eggs, fit for a king. These aren't just any deviled eggs. They're a gourmet version that will impress your guests and elevate any gathering. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece. Keto Nut Mix. The perfect custom snack. A nut mix? Seriously? This isn't just any nut mix, it's a keto powerhouse. Almonds, pecans, macadamia nuts, get them all in there. These nuts are not only delicious, but packed with healthy fats and nutrients that are perfect for a keto diet. Olive oil, a drizzle will do. This adds a rich flavor and helps the spices stick to the nuts. Salt, pepper, rosemary, chili flakes, go wild. Mix it all up. Make sure every nut is coated with the seasoning. Spread it out on a baking sheet. This ensures they roast evenly and get that perfect crunch. Now, into the oven, just until they're fragrant and toasted. Let them cool completely, then portion them out. The roasting process brings out the natural oils and enhances the flavors. Remember, these are calorie bombs, so go easy. A small handful is enough to keep you satisfied and energized. A custom keto nut mix that'll keep you going all week. Perfect for a quick snack, to take on the go, or even to add a crunchy topping to your salads. Enjoy the convenience and health benefits of this homemade treat. That's it. 5 keto snacks that you can whip up faster than waiting for takeout to arrive. Quick, easy, and delicious. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't be shy about sharing your own keto creations. And stay tuned, because in this next video, we're diving deep into the world of science-based strategies so you can be a healthier, happier you. That's right. We're going to conquer those mealtime struggles and keep that keto train rolling. And remember, eat well, live well.